Welcome back to another episode of My Kitchen Intuition. My name is MaritaLynn and I'm so happy to have you here today. Today I want to talk about a great ingredient, one of the main ingredients in cooking and also in life. Stay tuned to find out which one is. Hello again. The ingredient that I was talking to you about in the introduction is actually a very simple one that is around us all the time, and sometimes we can even take it for granted. That ingredient is water. Water is one of the main ingredients that we can actually take in consideration for cooking and also in our lives. Our bodies are 70% water. We really need to hydrate our bodies in order to keep going. When our bodies are not hydrated, we start getting sick, our skin start drying, and our digestion don't work, and we can get all kind of sickness. But when we hydrate our bodies with water, we start getting better. Our bodies start getting that hydration, and everything starts circulating in our bodies. We get rid of toxins, and we actually clear our arteries, and we can get a better health. Because when our bodies are not hydrated, we start getting inflamed because our body is getting into self-defense and it's just holding onto the water that our body has. So drinking water is really helping us. It really helps getting rid of toxins and like all the other benefits that I told you before. And for cooking, also water is really good because we need water to cook. All the vegetables need water to grow. The same way with all the proteins, all the animals that we eat, they also need water to grow. So water is one of the ingredients that are taken for granted, and it's really, really important, especially when you drink water. And this is a scientific studies. It's been scientific studies that talk about water and how water can help you create your life. Because we as creators that we are, we have the power to create our realities. And water is a really helpful ingredient for that. If we really put an intention when we drink our water, we can create magic. Magic not only in our bodies, but magic in our lives. There were studies that were done back in 2006 by scientists. There was one from Japan that actually discovered how our thoughts and the environment around us alter the frequency of the water, and how our thoughts can create really great experiences with us when we drink water, or really having really bad thoughts can create really bad experiences for us. So there's also other studies like Jose Silva, the Silva method, where we set an intention in the water and we drink half of the water before we go to bed, and then as soon as we get up, we drink the other half with the same intention. I would really suggest you research all this so you can find out about the benefits. So when you drink water with intention, make sure that you feel that energy of love coming from you, because we always have that loving energy emanate from us. And just make sure it comes from you, and you hold your water and just set an intention. I want this water to be the heal of my body, mind, and my soul. And I know this water is going to give me great health, and it's going to cook the meals better for me. My meals are going to come delicious. So things like that, setting an intention is going to create a different experience. Your meals will come more delicious, and it's actually going to be much better for you. So just take advantage that it's easy available for us and change that frequency. When you're drinking water, the water is going to pick up what's in your environment. If you're listening to classical music, it's scientifically proven that the cells of the water change into a beautiful shape. But if you're listening to stuff that is dark or is has like a really bad energy, it's going to change that too. So just be mindful that when we drink water, we are actually putting in our bodies one of the most important ingredients we can have around us. And just enjoy it. Drink as much as you can, because it's never too much of water. And cheers. I hope this information was helpful and it served you in some way. If you want to learn more about water and about the benefits of food and how it can actually be medicine to you, subscribe to this channel and share with people that really need to hear this information. My name is MaritaLynn. Thank you so much. It was an honor to be here with you today. Thank you.